Let us explore these soul dog quotes that will remind you of the special bond you have with your furry friend. Love from a dog goes further than any other. Their selflessness knows no bounds. No matter how dark the night, a dog's devotion will be there to light your way home. Dogs are creatures that remind us why pure, selfless love exists in the world. Love from a soul dog can bring true peace and joy to the heart of its human companion. A soul dog's selfless love is the best reminder of how powerful true friendship can be.